Party Slayers with Lapus. Sisaserewind. It's a Women's Day. Ilanga elibalulekile, ilanga labafazi. We're celebrating it ngazo zonke indlela. I'm with my sister. My sister, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Ilanga labafazi. Lithini la? Uthini? Are you happy?
Kamnandi kanjani? Yeah.
What does this day mean to you?
Hey, yabona mina I hate the statement lokuthi wathinta umfazi wathinta imbokodo.
Why? What?
Yini imbokodo ka?
It's a rock. Angithi yeah, ilitshe.
Cabanga phela umuhle kanjani? Uyilitshe wena? No. So I believe mina ukuthi sisifakele istigma kakhulu singabantu besifazane ukuthi wathinta umfazi wathinta imbokodo. Mina I'm not a mbokodo. I'm a flower petal. I'm strong, yes, but ungathi ngimbokodo because I think that's why we have so much yoba si abuse amadoda ne. Angithi mina ngitshela ukuthi ngimbokodo. I can stand whatever. Angiyimbokodo mina ngiyiflower. Be soft with me, ngithande. Angiyimbokodo. Mbokodo. No, ngimuhle angiyimbokodo mina ngisilitshe. No. Mina lelanga limilisha okukhulu kimi. Yes, si strong mara. Si strong for ingane zethu. Ukuthi sikhulisa ikhaya, we are the naturals. We're not the rocks. We need to be handled with care at the end of the day.
Be a flower, ungabi ilitshe. Ilitshe man, into eqine kakhulu. That is why bana abuser because of wathinta abafazi, wathinta imbokodo. Imbokodo yani yona le. Be a flower, take care of yourself, love yourself. Sicela kuqala, kuyo yonke into oyenzayo, put yourself first. Love yourself, my woman. This is Party Slayers with Lapus. I'm your host. Guys, like, share, and subscribe on Party Slayers.